aming pinakamamahal na Presidente, Ma'am Anbolo, sa iyong kaarawan ngayon, Ma'am. Kami po ay nakisa sa iyong kasiyahan. Kasama ko po ang aking makasamahan dito. Taos puso maghatid ng aming pagbati sa iyong kaarawan. Pamagitan po ng aming handog sa iyong awit na pinamagatang COVID-19.
As we drive from the sky, searching for His meaning as we moment pass by. Let the hand of time be like footprints in the sand, as they carry you from the mountain city's land. We just one hand, we can travel far together. Once like sharing love, I will hold you forever. Yes, I love you with all my heart. There'll be many crossroads as we walk along the way, learning every questions as we live life day by day. But whatever happens, if you always be there, we will surely find the answer once again. We just one hand, we can travel far together. Once like sharing love, I will hold you forever. Yes, I love you with all my heart. Yes, I love you with all my heart. Happy birthday, Mama Ann.
Happy birthday, Mama.
Hi po, Mama Ann. Happy birthday.
Hello, Mama. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Ma'am Ann, and God bless you always. Hello, Ma'am Ann. Happy birthday. Patuwayan daw kayo ng pagkatalis na hindi na nagawain.
Hello, Ma'am Ann. Happy birthday po. God bless po sa iyo at sa pamilya mo.
Blessed and happy birthday po, Ma'am Ann. God bless.
Hi, Ma'am Ann. Maligayang kaarawan po. Mahal po namin kayo. Mag-ingat po lagi. God bless. Hi, Ma'am Ann. Happy birthday. You're such a blessing to us all, and we love you so much. Happy birthday once again. More birthday to come, Ma'am Ann. We love you so much.
Happy birthday, Ma'am Ann.
Once again, happy birthday, mahal naming Presidente. Para po sa iyo ang awit na ito.